Good evening student. Today we are doing chapter 2nd polynomial exercise 2.1. Question number first, which of the following are polynomial in one variable? So in the previous video I have told that whose power is positive integer, or you can say non-negative. Non-negative means positive integer, whose positive means whose power is only a whole number, never in fraction, or never in negative. So in first the power is x square and 1, and so this is polynomial. Yes, this is polynomial. Because its power is whole number. Next, y square plus root 2. It is also a polynomial because its highest power is 2, and that is a whole number. So it is next third part 3 root t plus t root 2. No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Root means power is 1 by 2. That is not a whole number. Power is 1 by 2, not a whole number. That's why it is not a polynomial. So it next y plus 1 by y, it is again not a polynomial because we can write y plus y raised to power minus 1, and negative power is never a polynomial. If it is negative power is not a whole number, so we can say that it is not a polynomial. And we have to check that it is in one variable. So x, y and t, there are 3 variables. So no, it is not a polynomial. Next, second part, we have to write the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square means in front of x square, what is the written? That is the coefficient of x square. In front of x square, it is written plus 1. So next, 2 minus x square plus x square, x. So coefficient of x square, that is, what is written in the front of, that is minus 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of x square. And what is written in front of the x square? That is pi by 2. So coefficient of x square is equal to pi by 2. Root 2x minus 1. So here what is the written in front of the x square? Here is no term of x square. So we can write 0x square plus root 2x minus 1. Now what is written in front of x square? That is coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Next we have to give the one example of the binomial. Binomial means 2 terms. We have to give the example of binomial of degree 35. Binomial means 2 terms, and degree is the highest power of the binomial. So I just write x raised to power 35. This is the degree of the polynomial. We have to write binomial. Binomial means 2 terms, so we can write 6. This is binomial of degree 3. And one more example, x raised to power 35 plus 5x. This is also second example. And one more example, 5x 35 plus 7x square. These are 3 examples of first, second and third monomial. So we can write x raised to power 100. This is the first example. Now 5x raised to power 100. This is the second example. 7x raised to power 100. That is the third example. Any example of monomial you can write. Now write the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power. Here the degree x power 3, x power 2 and x power 1. So degree is the highest power. So highest power is 3. So degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. Next, degree is equal to highest power, that is 2. Next, degree of next 5t minus. So here it is not written, it means t power is 1. So degree is 1. 3 is a constant. So 3, degree of 3, we can write 3x raised to power 0. So now the degree of constant term, that is 0. And this is also we can write degree of non-zero constant term is 0. And degree of 0 is not defined. Degree of constant term is 0 and degree of 0 is not defined. Now we have to classify the following: linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Which are linear? Whose degree is 1, that is called linear. Whose degree is called 2, that is called quadratic. And whose degree is 3, that is called cubic. So here the degree highest power is 2. It means the degree is 2. So degree 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Here the highest degree is 3. It is called cubic. Here the highest power is 2. So it is called quadratic. Here the highest power is 1. That is called linear. In again degree highest power of 3t, that is 1, that is called linear. Highest power is 2, it is called quadratic. Highest power is 3, it is called cubic. Thank you and have a nice day.